girl Me. I'm back with another video. It is the next day. If you watched the previous video, we went to SRT Bree's event. I really didn't get to see SRT Bree because I got there late, but that's all good. I got the footage that I got, and that's what I got. That's what we're doing. But anyway, y'all, before we get this video started, I need you to like, share, comment, subscribe, because we're going up. Don't forget, once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving out $250, y'all. $250, man. But anyway, you see thumbnail. You got Hellcat right there. You know what I'm saying? Got that cat thing. You know what I'm saying? Big yellow cat, man. Got me right there looking clean. I just had to fuel up. You know what I'm saying? And you got my guys over here. Got the Daytona things. Got another Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? But we finna go to Alabama, man. We finna go to this meat, drag strip, whatever it is in Alabama. But we got a nice little thing going. Cat thing. Yes, sir. Yeah, don't play with it. SRT Queez right there. Another cat thing. I mean, my bad. Daytona thing, my fault. But y'all here. Follow my guy. See it? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we pull off. Probably when we ride. I don't know. You never know with these guys. You never know what they're gonna do on the road. So when we get to riding, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. Right now, we all just filling up. Oh, we got somebody else pulling up. Yeah. Hold on. Where you go? Where you go? Where did you go? There you go. Yeah, I'm back on y'all when we get to moving. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Yeah. What it do, y'all? I'm back with it. We done stopped at the Family Dollar to get some snacks for the little track. You know what I'm saying? You know they be trying to overcharge, and you know how they do at the track. So you know we stopped to get the cheap snacks. You know what I'm saying? But we lined up. You know what I'm saying? Got them purdies on. Yeah, I got that underglow on too, but you can't really tell. You know what I'm saying? Got that cat. Daytona. We in here. Yeah. Skittles. We still shined up though. Still looking clean. But yeah, y'all, we almost there. So I'm gonna see y'all in a second when we get there. Yeah. Big Rob pulled up on us. He out here looking clean. You see him? Go follow my guy, man. Y'all ain't seen Rob in a minute, you know. He done a couple things to his whip since I last showed y'all his whip, you know what I'm saying? So go check out his channel if you ain't. See what he got done different. But we at the Loves right now. The drag strip is right over there where them people turning from. So we pretty much here. I think they gotta get some cash. But we out here. I need to get some tires like these, eh? 305. I need to get some of them. Then my tires about gone anyway. It's about time for some new ones. For real. Yeah. But y'all, we out here. I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a second when we pull in. What it do, y'all? We here. See, we lined up right there. See what we doing. We're chilling. I guess we kind of early because it ain't really too many people here, but I just wanted to get these trucks rolling in. I think that's dope. You know what I'm saying? What y'all doing to them cops, man? Leave the cops alone, man.
Can't take this man nowhere, man. I don't know why you try.
I don't know why you try. Hell no. Hey, that is hard though. I do want me a truck. Man. I do want a truck. I ain't gonna even cap to y'all. No, they didn't gave me an 18 wheel, so now I'm just like, you can't tell me I can't drive nothing. I'm driving everything. That thing hard. Woo, SS. Play with them with the 4Gs. With the 4Gs on it. For sure.
So can you check the movie screen over there, or is it that screen? Not on the phone. Oh no, it's just a good book.
You know what's crazy is I got my camera, but I'd rather use my phone slick.
Nah, this look better than the phone.
It do look better. Picture do look better, but it be me. I'm so lazy. First of all, my videos be clear.
No,
first of all,
if you ever, all my videos come my phone, my shit's clear.
Bro,
the Android
my
there, you go there, bro.
My videos be clear, bro.
20 or some shit,
no, I'm trying to get that.
That
I got the S10. I got the 10.
That's why that shit old.
Bruh, no, it's not, bruh. This just came out like a year ago, bruh.
That shit trash, bro.
Bruh, no, it's not, bruh.
Because Android don't transfer over.
I need to. Yeah, that's not here hard.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So then that way, what it is right in the middle of what
y'all see what's going on, man? Demonology out here. We didn't even know he was coming. Yeah. What? Look at that man, man. Yes, sir. Play with him if you want to. What's up, man? What's up with you? What's up with you?
Trying to make his lane famous. Yeah. Check it out over here, man. They say one of the lanes got a little bump on it, but it's all good. Right lane. But it's all good.
How do you motor feel, man?
Huh?
How do the engine feel?
Man, it feel good. It feel good. You know, we hadn't turned it all the way up yet, so we got it turned down. We running the slowest pulley on it till we get that big Whipple, Whipple 3.8. Then we're gonna turn it all the way up. Ain't no sense of pushing this floor.
How many pounds you got on it right now?
I mean, I probably got about 18 pounds of boost, so there ain't no sense of pushing it. I can snatch plenty souls with 18 pounds. You ain't gonna get away.
Snatching all the souls.
Hey man, y'all heard from the man himself, man.
Right.
Hey man, y'all coming out to the Scary Fast?
Yes,
Hey man, your boy Dumpster.
Hey, listen, now listen.
Yeah.
Hey man, a lot of people want to see the rematch, man.
Hey man, don't worry about the rematch. Hey, the Gap Sauce, I don't like it. I'm not tasting that ever again. I got the soul of the black blur sitting up there on
Hold on.
But everybody forget about the black blur.
Repeat that last
I say that Gap Sauce ain't no good for you. You don't want that. No, I'm telling you, take it from me. That Gap Sauce give you nightmares. You can't sleep. Nothing after you get it.
You said you can't sleep.
Yeah, hey man, I let the soul of the Z06 get away. So, Homeboy said, I don't care about nothing else, no Ford, no Chevy. Don't get that Z06. Hey man, another one. Hey man,
Actually, the first time I met D-Man, he came down to Montgomery Alabama to the track. That's when I first met him.
Hey man,
Bad man right here.
Don't tell him all my secrets. I ain't said nothing. Hey man, they all bad till I snatch their soul.
Hey, is this a race I see happening?
They out here with it though. We out here with it. It's getting there.
Hey, bro, drop.
Hey, I'm here for it.
Shut the thing out. Yes, sir.
They got the 150 on the shop. I'm gonna stay in my lane.
Y'all see what's up. Play with them. All cut out. Look at that.
Anything can happen on that track.
Wow. Okay.
I upgraded everything.
So where's your wallet? Did you bring it? Cool.
I used to look at the old school. I'm getting ready to zone He called out here, don't care.
He invited me today to see how fast I am.
That's what he did. He invited you today to see how fast. Get an idea.
He wants to see what I got before Halloween.
Yeah, see what he can do.
Because all them YouTubers will be there, you know.
Yeah.
See, today he can filter it all out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If I get him today,
Cleaning that
like,
thing up.
I ain't racing him, man.
I'm y'all already know those green bills.
Well, you know, I mean, that's the, you know, that's the deal. But right there, that's what you want to see. That right there, that's the soul.
Listen, man. Hey,
Hey, you see that right up there?
Soul grabber.
Air grabbers.
Yeah. Soul grabber on them. Taking them. Can't get your soul back. For real.
That boy floating on y'all, boy. Hey, you gotta do a little pull, bro. You gotta do a little. Get your life, bro.
Oh, he got some power in him?
Hey, bro, that's your hard, though. It look like a little go-go. I wish I had it, dog. I tried that shit to work, man, every day.
Oh, yeah, you say all the gas.
Flipping with the float. And he got the flip paint. Hey, look, I'm gonna get you, bro. That's different, man. Hey, yeah, that's him right here. Hey, he coming in here, bro.
Look at this. That thing floating. Yo, don't think it's stock, man. I'm talking about, I ain't even never rode in the Hellcat. And the first time I ride in the Hellcat, it's a motherfucking, that thing probably got over 900 horsepower. Y'all, man. Hey, and we just went down a little bit of street. It wasn't even the highway. It's all good, though. I'm dead. Cause, whoo, 315s, I'm dead, bro. We in there. For real. Like, that thing had me in the seat. I was literally, no cap. Damn. That's crazy, y'all. But we at the Loves, though. Flip, you can see. People that pulled up. It's like right across the street from the track, so, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I see him. Oh. I see him. That's crazy. Okay, she got a little Honda Civic mounted up. I see. Look like some, what's them, 22s, 20s? Okay, I see y'all. Y'all gotta come over to the show. Y'all over here at the gas station. Yo, Corvette, yo. See, they gotta let me drive. That's what.
sweetly. My bitches, I'm just out here hustling, grinding, stacking all my riches. Block for block, pick the bar every day. Fucking with my niggas, cause we do it the J way. Cause money ain't the thing, just to stay up on the grind. Hit what hot shit that is sticking up on your mind. Let go, don't ride, yo, don't please don't let your dodo. We flamed up, we out here. Pulling out that cocoa, but you know, it goes cause we ain't the same. You just a yeet nigga that turned into a bitch, man.
It's the motherfucking nation. Yo.
I ain't fucking with you, nigga.
Yo.
I'm a certified street nigga. I'm a real old street nigga. And I put that on the beat, nigga. I ain't fucking with you, nigga. I'm a certified street nigga. I'm a real old street nigga.
So we almost back to Georgia. Y'all see we lit up like a little Christmas tree. That thing look good at night. I can't even count. Dang. Yeah. Oh yeah. But we out here at a rest stop. I wanted to stop because my tire pressure kept acting up, but I think it's straight. Like, you know what I'm saying? We checked the tires. You know what I'm saying? And you know, they straight now, I guess. You know what I'm saying? I gotta hurry up and get my tire sensor fixed. Cause I think that's what, like, it started tweaking. Like, they took off on me and everything. And I think I need a wheel alignment because they took off on me. I got the speeding to like 100. And I got to 100 and it started shaking. I'm like, oh, that ain't supposed to happen. So we finna head back. I mean, we almost there, so dang, man. And a rock hit my windshield. Like, I have no luck with windshields and rocks. Like, they love to hit me. Like, I don't know, it's crazy, but yeah, everything cool. I'm finna take back off, head on back. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute.